1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 balls in a bin. Now how many ways can we draw 4 balls from this bin if each ball is discarded after it is removed? And how many ways can we draw 4 balls if each ball is replaced? So we're going to think about part A first. So we're just going to play around a bit. Now any one of these 12 balls can be drawn first. But let's say, in this example, we draw ball number 12 first. Well, that means we take ball number 12 and take it out of the bin. Now because ball number 12 is out of the bin, that leaves 11 balls remaining in the bin. Now we have 11 choices for the next ball that gets drawn, but let's say that it was ball number 6. So we take ball number 6 out of the bin. So now that ball number 6 is out of the bin, this leaves 10 balls remaining in the bin. So to answer part A, there are 12 choices for the first ball. Once this ball is drawn out, this leaves 11 balls in the bin, so there are 11 choices for the next ball. After this ball is removed, there are going to be 10 choices left. And finally, there are 9 choices left for the fourth ball. And this turns out to be 11,880. Now let's answer part B. Once again, we're just going to play around with this problem. So at the start, we have 12 balls in our bin. Now we have 12 choices for the first ball that can be drawn. It can be any one of these 12 balls, but let's say that it was ball number 12 once again. So what's going on? Well, if ball number 12 is chosen, this means we take ball number 12 out of the bin so that it ends up right over here. But then, since each ball is replaced, that means this ball that we just took out is actually going to go back in. So when we take a look at what's going on, we see that there are 12 choices for the second ball. So we see there are 12 choices for the first ball, 12 choices for the second, because each ball gets replaced. There's going to be 12 choices for the third and 12 choices for the fourth. And this is 20,736. So this was a good problem that shows the difference between replacement and without replacement. And we see that the best way to approach these problems is to just think about how many choices you have at each step. It's very important to recognize the difference between the two because you can get two completely different answers. So it's very important to not get confused between the two. Because if you were asked to give this answer, but you gave this answer, well, where I'm from, we would say that you dropped the ball on that one.